1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I've been running a series of workshops across the country in order to sort of build audiences, new practitioners and stakeholders for this form that loosely for now I'm calling documentary theatre. This year, along with my collaborator Tuchmann, who is also a dramaturg and works between Berlin and Beijing, we decided to curate a series of international workshops. So to bring practitioners from Germany, Switzerland, China, and offer it to audiences in the city of Bombay. And so this, the envelopes with Daniel Wetzel of Rimini Protokoll, is the third in a series of 4 workshops. With Daniel's workshop, we really wanted to capture the various modes that Rimini Protocol works with.
I think there's a lot of potential in the sense that a lot of things have not been tried out. Workshop basically is about inspiring people what kind of projects they might want to do when not working based on drama and not working based on the traditional techniques that they might be trained in.
One of the first things that Daniel tried to explore with the participants was the idea of don't act, just do. So some of the instructions that they were made to write for each other were simple instructions like run. Don't act like you're running, just run. And I think that took a little bit of effort from the participants.
I'm Abha.
Hi, I'm Sumedha Raikar.
Yeah, my name is Meghna Gandhi. I'm an artist and filmmaker.
I write on theatre.
I work as a drama teacher.
My name is Mohammed Deshmukh. I'm a journalist.
Hi, I'm Pooja Sudhir and I facilitate English literature, film studies at the German School, Bombay. I think in the introductory session itself, it was fantastic to see how this genre actually challenges ideas of reality and representation.
I've tried to understand over the last 3 days is their practice and how they are defining, redefining, questioning ideas of the audience, the performer, the space, the stage, time.
What I found very interesting in the workshop was that the videos that were shared by Daniel show the real heavy investment that goes in terms of research and time and energy.
There is borrowing from history and politics and science, and all the boundaries almost like collapse on that stage that he calls documentary theatre, and that was just phenomenal for me to see.
We don't only get participants who are from the theatre, but we get participants who are lawyers, who are doctors, who are filmmakers, sociologists. What is interesting is the learnings they have from each other. So it's not just the facilitator, opening up new ideas and thoughts, but amongst themselves, their conversations around their own practice and performance brings out a bigger learning.
It's more important to make theatre in a more explorative way, other than an artistic. That's very often top-down way also to say, we are the masters, we know how it works, we do fantastic theatre, we do so great acting, and now you watch. And it is perhaps a different approach to say, I don't know so much, but I'm interested.
Shall we see who of you wants to do something by herself or himself?
We who do a performance and you who don't sort of come to terms by making a mutual experience.
So you want to team up, right?
As the day unfolded, Daniel gave us a fantastic exercise. So he gave us an exercise to find a location or a spot within about a 3-minute radius of a center we had chosen. That may allow us to get to know the people in that location, and it was time bound. I think everyone's just been very excited and euphoric after the last exercise.
So you're starting here with Theobroma, cashier door on your right, and then you're walking that way. 40, 41,
you have to stand in the middle of the street
43,
and you have to count number of air conditions that you see, and that also loud.
Everything that we talked in theory, experts of everyday life, getting out of the proscenium, getting out on the street was accomplished. And I think what Daniel started saying on the first day, let's do, we experienced doing it today.
Stop. Thank you.